Allah has 4 ways of introducing you to the person He chose for you. You don't always find the person Allah chose for you. Sometimes He sends them to you. Here are 4 ways Allah introduces you to the one He's written for you. Sign number 1, through ease, not force. The first way is through ease. No chasing, no convincing, no forcing something that isn't meant to be. When it's from Allah, doors open with surprising simplicity. Conversations flow naturally, families agree without unnecessary struggle, and things fall into place without you having to manufacture it. Allah says in Surah At-Talaq, Allah will bring about ease after hardship. If you're forcing a connection that only causes exhaustion, that might be your answer already. Sign number 2, through a person who strengthens your deen. The second way is through someone who pulls you closer to Allah, not further away. Someone who reminds you to pray when you forget. Someone who makes you want to be better, not just feel good in the moment. The Prophet said, when someone whose religion and character pleases you proposes, marry them. Tirmidhi. If someone makes your salah lighter and your heart heavier with love for Allah, pay attention to that. Sign number 3, through sincere dua and istikhara. The third way is often invisible at first. It happens quietly, through your own dua. You ask Allah sincerely, Ya Allah, guide me to who is best for me, in this life and the next. And then, sometimes months later, sometimes years later, someone appears and you realize, this is the answer to that prayer you almost forgot you made. Sign number 4, through timing you didn't plan. The fourth way is through timing, the kind you could never have arranged yourself. A meeting that shouldn't have happened but did. A reconnection after years of distance. A moment that lines up so perfectly you know it wasn't coincidence. Allah's timing often looks like chance, but it's actually precision. You don't have to force the person Allah chose for you. If it's written, He'll bring them, through ease, through deen, through dua, through timing. Your job is simply to ask Him, trust Him, and stay ready. Trust Allah's timing in love. Subscribe for daily reminders on marriage and faith.